Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. Thank you for being here. If you're feeling alone right now, know that this space is for you. A safe moment to simply breathe, soften, and be held with kind words. Let's begin with a soft breath. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. One more time, breathe in peace and breathe out tension. You're here, and that is enough. Repeat quietly in your heart or simply listen. I am not alone in this moment. I am loved, even when I can't see it. My feelings are valid. It's okay to feel what I feel. I give myself kindness now. I am safe to be exactly who I am. I can take care of myself with gentleness. I am held in compassion. There's nothing wrong with me. This moment will pass. I am strong in soft ways. I am allowed to rest. I am enough just as I am. I am connected to life, even in quiet moments. I trust that I am being guided. Peace is gently returning to me now. Take one more soft breath in and slowly breathe out. Let warmth wrap around you like a gentle hug from within. You're safe. You're loved. You're not alone. Come back to this space whenever your heart feels heavy. I'm so glad you're here, sending you light and peace. Namaste.